Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2017 Civic Type R. Simply put, the Honda Civic Type R is a lot of fun. The performance, comfortable seating, and aggressive design will all leave you with a smile on your face, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.